Hey guys, before the video actually starts, I want to let you know that this is one of the ones where you kind of need to watch it until the end. And this video really encompasses why I like to do the videos the way I do them. I don't use products for a few days or even a couple of weeks before I put them up on a video because I like the element of surprise. I like unboxing the product right in front of you, so it's kind of like we're doing it together, almost live. And that way you get to see my real raw reactions. And that's what I really like to do as far as the way I do my videos, man. And this video, this product, it really encompasses that, or it embodies that whole thing right there. So without further ado, let's just get on with it. All right, guys, I got one more video left in me today. This is number 4. And I'll be honest with you, man, I'm tired of looking at my face and hearing my own voice. So I can only imagine how y'all feel about me right now. Either way, though, we're going to take a look at these Holy High true wireless earbuds that have the ear hook design, baby.
Let's do it.
So let's get in here and see if we can see some specs that just kind of jump out at us. I usually don't do a lot of specs on this channel, but if it's on the box just jumping out at me, I'll go ahead and talk about it. Right now I'm seeing a Bluetooth 5.0, 33 feet worth transmission, 5 hours of playtime, 2 hours to charge. And that's about, whoa. Oh, okay. So recharge earbuds by charging case up to 6 times. So that's good to go. Let's get these things open, man. Let's just see what it's all about. So I've never actually heard of this company before, Holy High. And when I first saw the earbuds, I was like, well, they look like the Powerbeats Pro and yada, yada, yada. So let's just see, because a lot of these earbuds, that look like the Powerbeats Pro, they don't sound that great. They just have that look, that performance look. But then I've been really surprised by some of them because they were really high quality products. So we're going to check these out. Once again, Holy High is the name brand. Let me see what you get in this box. So you get 4 extra ear tips. Looks like a medium and a large, or maybe a large and an extra large. These are kind of big. And then you get, oh yeah, a USB-C charging. No, wait a minute. That is, yeah, okay, my bad. That is micro USB right there. All right, so you got your micro USB. I'm gonna need this this instruction manual right here because they always do something. Let's get it open. You ready? Whoa! All right, here they are. Let's talk about the case real quick, man. The case, you hear that? It's kind of a hollowy kind of case. So, man, don't drop this. Don't drop it because it doesn't, it's just, it's working off this little hinge right here. I just don't drop it, man. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Then when you pick up the earbuds out of the case that you can charge these things up 6 times, let me see here. All right, they got a good feel to them. Let me see, this is actually, it's a neoprene. It has some very, some sharp edges on it. I don't think this is gonna affect you at all. The ones I've seen before usually have like a round edge on them. And this just caught my eye because caught my fingers because I felt it, how it's kind of sharp around the edges here. Let me just go ahead and see if that's going to impact like the part of your ear right here. I don't want it to kind of, slice into my ear or anything like that. Nope, doesn't have any effect on it at all. So don't worry about that. And I think these ear tips are all right, man. So I'm not going to have to change it. Let me take this little blue tape off here. That way we can get them activated, turn them on, and get our little sound test going. Okay, I did notice that you have to put these things in reverse. So the right one goes on the left side. What is it these days? Man, it's like my 4th set back to back where you have to put them in reversed with the charging case. I think this case is big enough for them to go in the right way. Either way, you put them in reverse and then they start charging. You got your LED right there. And this one is actually on, I guess. Let me see if I can get this LED. Okay, now both LEDs are on. Let me go ahead. Is this an LED right here? No, it's just a line. It looks like a little LED strip right there, but they are officially on and activated. Let me flip-flop them around and put them in my ears. All right, they're pairing with each other. I just heard that. All right, let's see if we can get them hooked up, get that jam session going. Holy High! Holy High! Wow! I was not expecting that. Dude, I'm serious. I was expecting these to be garbage. Holy High, I apologize. I was seriously expecting these to be garbage, but they are not. Wow. Okay. I'll tell you the thing that stands out the most about these is the clarity and detail. The treble and the mids are on point. Man. Okay. You know what, man? I really do love it. Let me let you get another look at these real quick. All right. So that's a good look at them. Now, let's go face to face. You know, when I start shooting these videos and I see, you know, earbuds like this, you know, some off-brand I've never heard of before, then it's got micro USB, you know, I'm not a huge fan of the case. I pull them out, you know, they look all right. And then I already didn't feel like doing this video. I'm tired. And then, you know, I get a product like this that, you know, I may or may not be feeling right off the bat. And then you turn it on and they completely change my mind and my mood and my attitude. Y'all don't know how doing these videos is, man. It's like, sometimes I just don't feel like doing them. I really don't. I just be tired, man. The light's in my face and I'm just not in a good mood, or, you know, just not all cheery and stuff. But every once in a while, man, a product like this comes along and surprises the hell out of me and alters my mood for the better. I'm in a good mood now, man. Look, I told you about the brightness and the treble and the mids and the detail of these. It's fantastic. Now, I know all the bass heads are gonna be like, what about the bass? Dude, the bass is there, man. Get a good seal with these ear tips. You're gonna get some rich bass. And they're loud. They're loud. You can actually work out in these and get into that mood, that beast mode mood, where you're just throwing 45-pound plates across the room, just slinging them around. You know that sound that you get when you clank two 45s together? Clink, 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 clink. Yeah, that's what's up, man. Holy High. That's some name, man. Seriously, I was not expecting this. Look, these are good. I don't even know how much they cost, but I'm gonna tell you right now, they're worth it. Yeah, it's a great product, man. You know what? Let me just test something real quick. I want to see if they'll work independently of each other. So let me get them both on right now. I didn't see any sensors in there, but let me play some music. Okay, so the left one is still playing and the right one is charging. So let me take the right one out. Okay, it just turned on automatically. It's playing. The way you put them in the case, man, it just confuses the crap out of me. Okay, and we're still playing. Dude, hot swapping. It's hot swapping right now. Cool. Let me just look at the instructions real quick to see what the features are with these buttons, because they do have buttons. They're not touch pads, but the buttons are very tactile and very easily pressable, so you don't mash anything into your ear for discomfort. So let's just see what you're gonna get. Okay, so I'm looking at it right here. You got one click on either bud is a play and pause or answering in your calls. And to skip to the previous track, you're gonna double tap on the left or double tap on the right, depending on which way you wanna go. You got volume control, so you just hold it down for 2 seconds. Sweet. Let me see here. Answering in calls, you got reject calls, and you got voice assistant with a triple tap. I dig it. Full featured. You got forward and back tracks, volume, play and pause, and Google and Siri, Alexa, whatever you wanna do. Full featured earbuds. Like, seriously, man, it's a good product. I was not expecting that. I'm really surprised. I don't know what else to say, except for I'm really glad I did this video. I was not feeling it at first, man. So this is like a raw moment between us, man. I wasn't feeling it at first, but totally changed my attitude. Holy High True Wireless Earbuds. What are they called? It says the model is the ET1. I don't know what ET means, but man, they're good. You should probably get you some if that's what you're looking for. Either way, I'm no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just in a good mood right now because of these Holy High True Wireless Earbuds. Yeah, give me some emoji hands up in the comment section, and I'll see y'all at the next one. Oh, so you wanted them cats that like to just run up in a place, take what you want, then leave, huh? Man, you better hit that subscribe and notification button. That way you know when I'm over here opening up new stuff. And while you're down there, you might want to consider tapping that join button and becoming a member, because membership has its perks. See, that wasn't so bad. All right, man, I appreciate you, and I'll see you at the next one.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?